Hi everyone! In this video, we'll pass on a few simple tricks that will help you successfully make projects with Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. First, let's talk about which projects will make a good choice for this versatile material. Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock is adhesive-backed paper. It works best on flat surfaces like notebook covers or gift tags. It's also a great way to add a personalized touch to a greeting card. We love using Smart Paper to layer or place images and words that would be hard to glue. If you're looking to put something on a surface that might get wet, like a mobile phone case or drinkware, vinyl is a better bet. Next, pick images that are all connected with no floating pieces to make transferring easier. Otherwise, you will have to hand place individual pieces. Our favorite tip is writing or drawing on Smart Paper using a Cricut pen clamped into your Maker 3 or Explore 3. You can select Draw or Cut on the canvas in Design Space. This will allow you to turn a cut into a draw or vice versa. Create tiny details, write a message, and more. We hope these tips inspire you to make with Smart Paper.